Good day everyone, this is your DMC2 Wix tutorial for how to create your own website. So I'm going to get started from the very beginning. I do already have a Wix account, but I'm going to create a new one for the purposes of this exercise. Please make sure that you do have a Gmail account before starting. Have more than one. And sign in with that. Wix is quite a slow site, so be prepared that it is going to take a little while. Alright, so you should then come to the screen. You can click Let's Do It. And you can just go through all of these options here. I want to create a site for myself, a client, a company I work for, or someone else. You just can click on myself, and it should be and then you have all of these options. So remember, you have all of those questions that you were going through in the slides to answer before you start making your site. So just figure out exactly what you want the site to be. So let's see, I want this to be a photography site where I can showcase all of the photographs I've taken over the years. And I've built sites professionally. I've created many websites. I've built a few websites. I've never done this before. So you choose the one which applies to you. I imagine the best option is going to be, I've never done this before. Alright, so you'll land on a page that looks somewhat like this. And this has taken me to the photography websites template, where there's a whole bunch of different templates available to me that I can edit. Can go through, there's going to be lots of them. You can even click different tags. You can search all of the templates. Entirely up to you. So I'm going to go with this one. So you can either just view it, see what it looks like, or you can click edit. So like I said, this can take a little while. So I paused it for the sake of the video, but it does take a minute or so to load that. You can watch this Wix editor video. It's only a minute. And I'm sure you guys do know that here under settings, you can change the quality of a video to the lowest possible quality, which will save you on data. If you're a busy person, and I know you are, you can also change the playback speed to a little bit faster than normal. I normally watch it at 1.5. You'll learn what speakers speak at what speed. So for certain people who speak really fast, 1.25 is fine. But for other people who speak really slowly, you can actually speed it up 2 times, which means that a video that you'll watch in 1 minute 21 seconds, you can watch in about 45 seconds. So yeah, you can watch that video. I'm not going to, though. You can do that in your own time. And here you'll find your website. And everything here within these dotted lines is what your customer base will see. Everything is editable. So if I click on there, I don't want it to say a random name. I want it to say mine. You can change everything. So you can change absolutely everything. So if you click on here, you'll find menus and pages, so you can change the menus that you have. So this photographer within their portfolio has got photos of the desert, the high Sierra, the beach, forest, wilderness. You can change those. And you can actually edit it there. So no, I didn't take any photos of the desert. I took photos of buildings. Make sure that you keep the formatting the same. So you want to keep it in caps. And then just click done. It does take a little while to update, so just be aware of that. And then you'll see you can change the backgrounds of pages. That won't go over photos. So if you're finding that a background isn't changing, it's probably that you've got a photo, say, on your home page. You want to go to home. See, so there's a photo in the background here. That background's not gonna override that. So you can go to backgrounds. You can go to adding. You want to add your own heading. You can add your own heading. Don't worry about the app market for now. And then you can go to media. So the nice thing about media is you can either upload your own videos, photos, etc. Or if you want, you can connect your Facebook, your Instagram, your Google Drive, or if any of you use Google Photos, and then you can apply your own photos to this website. The thing I like about Wix is that everything is just straightforward editable. You can move this around and put anything where you want to. This photo, I want to change it. You just click on the image, click change image, and then it will take you to either the images that, you can add your own images, or you can go media from Wix. So you can choose any of those images. Shutterstock, they charge, so don't go there. But media from Wix is free. But please, for these websites, I would advise you to use all of your own pictures rather, because these are original pictures. So yeah, this is what I love about Wix, is that you can just move anything wherever you want to move it. You can edit these pictures. You see there's a little editing pane on the side here. Everything is editable. So go ahead and play around. I would say that the best advice I could give you is that when you are creating this site, make sure you choose the right form of site. So in the beginning where we were filling in what kind of site is this, all of that, make sure that you choose the right site, because now if I decided to, okay, they do have a store option there, but in general, if you've just got a blog and now you decide to add a store, it can become a little bit more complicated. So remember to please get in touch with me if you have any questions. I'll chat to you soon.